give an example here, 3, 9, 20, 15, 7. You'll notice that the answer here is 9 and plus 15 because 9 is a leaf node, 15 is a leaf node, but they're on the left side. And then for root 1, so if this one, there's no left because you only have 1. So the way you solve this is you have to do a pre-order check in the tree. So given the example here, 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, 6, you'll notice that you have to scan using a pre-order like this, and then this like this, right? Every time you go to the next node, you check if this is a leaf node. So in this case, for here, start with 1, check 2, the child on the left. The reason why you need to do a pre-order check here is because you will not know if it's a left node or a right node. So if you do a pre-order, you'll be able to see, okay, this is the left, I can do the check here. So in this case, I check if left 2 is a leaf node. In this case, it's not a leaf node. So I go down, check 4. Okay, 4 is a leaf node. The reason why 4 is a leaf node, there's no child here, there's no child here. So you know that 4 is a leaf node and you know that it's a left. Right? That's because you're checking pre-orderly. You check, okay, this is the left. Before I go down, check and I add it in my sum. So you need to maintain a sum counter to add all of this. Once you move down, go up, same thing happens here. So 1 goes to the right, but the right you just ignore because the right is a right node. You don't add it in your sum. And then you go to your left, which is 6. It is another leaf node. And it's also on the left side, so you could basically just add it in your sum. 4 plus 6, which will give you 10. So we can go now to the coding. In this case, what you need to do here is basically do a pre-order tree traversal. So in this case, normally do a root. The same template, you don't really change it. Just return the family value is 0 here. So in this case, I'm gonna scan on the left. And I'm gonna scan on the right, nothing changed. You just return some value, which we're gonna put it here on the class level. You can also pass it in the argument, doesn't matter. So I'm just gonna put it here, some starting with 0. So now after we do this, we need to do the check. Before we even do this traversal, we check, okay, if the root that left is not equal to null, okay, we know that there's a value there, and check if it's a leaf node. Root that left is equal to null, and root that left that right is equal to null. If it's null, what do? We basically add the sum root that left that val. Yeah. See, this is your condition. So let's try to run this code. If its root is equal to null. Okay, it passes, then to submit it. Okay, there you go. 0 MS. So 100%. If you like this solution, please hit like and subscribe. And I'll see you again in the next episode of LeetCoding. Thank you for watching.